Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Wednesday the 6th of May. Let's have a look at euro-dollar, which is under pressure, isn't it? Ever since that German Constitutional Court ruling against the ECB asset purchases program that came out yesterday, we've seen euro just accelerating lower. We saw initially, prior to that announcement by the Constitutional Court, that the market was consolidating around this 108.90 pivot area which had been in place for several weeks actually. Downside break below that really did shoot the market lower. A little bit of retest of that 108.90 level, fell away again. We've just accelerated in the last couple of hours now below the 108.10 mark, which is another basis of support. That really does open up the lows again. I'm sort of saying on this daily chart that if you sort of take a step back, you can see that we saw through the November, December, January period that there was a floor around 110 big figure. That floor is now, since the volatility has settled down, that floor has become a basis of resistance. It's not obviously to the pip. We saw that reaction high at 10.15 the other day, but obviously that is a sort of a level now that the market is looking out for, that 10 big figure level there on euro dollar. So falling away, accelerating low below 108.90, that puts the market into very much into a corrective outlook once more within what is essentially a range. And you're looking at the range lows 107.25, 107.70 being tested now, 107.70 being this old low from Feb and also April. You saw a spike below that late in April, but essentially that is the band of support now, 725, 770. But look at these momentum indicators sharply deteriorating again. This is an important moment, I think, this 770 level, because I think if you see the RSI decisively under 30, that really does sort of once more put the bears in control of this chart. We're sort of obviously near term falling away quite sharply, but essentially on a medium term basis it's still ranging. But if you start to breach 770 and ultimately 725, you really are sort of turning corrective, at least for a test of 635 again. You can see this on the hourly chart. Negative configuration is taken hold on hourly momentum. Let's just draw in a little downtrend, and you can get a gauge of the sort of current outlook. Yeah, I mean, coming into tomorrow, that will be sort of around the 810 mark, but already it's underneath the 108.90, so the corrective phase is really building. 108.10 old support becomes new resistance on the rebound higher, so that is initially the gauge. And then you can sort of argue around sort of 108.30, these old lows. So 110 to 108.10 to 108.30 initial resistance. Obviously 108.90 is key. So yeah, the corrective outlook for the euro is sort of re-engaged itself, but I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website to sign up for our webinars.